Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lesson. So today I'll be breaking down this Highlife Bassline for you. Okay, I'll make it very easy for you to understand. If you're also new to this YouTube channel, this is what I do. I teach people how to play bassline on songs. So if you're interested, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons, so if you're interested, you see the link here or in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, the key of the song is on F sharp. Okay, so where is my F sharp? Around here. This is what I do. I have my F sharp over here. Okay, so first of all, we'll be looking at the song progression. So that is 4 6 2 5 4 3. You understand? You can meet this progression in any Highlife song. So let me break it down on how I played the bass line. So that is on 4 6 2. That alone contains this. Okay, I'll just try and break it down easy. Okay, so on your 4, then you play 2 1 2. Okay, so 4 2 1 2. Then you play your 2. Your first 2 you played was your octave. Then now you play your root. Then you play 6 5 6 6. You understand? Okay, so you understand. So when you're done playing, you're still on your 2. Okay, so 3 6 2. Now we're on 2 6 2 1 2. You got that? Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, okay, that is 2 6 2 1 2. And now to the second progression. So your 5 4 3. Okay, so when you're done playing the 2 2 3 4 5, your root 5. That is your 3. So this is on your 5. Okay, okay, so 2 3 4 5 2 5 4 5 4. Okay, so 4 1 4 2 3 2 3 5 3 2 1 3 5 1. Then you start again, but the second groove I did a little changes in the second groove. Okay, so it goes like this on your 5. So when you don't play, okay, so now to my 5. You understand? So that is 5 2 5 7 5 2. Okay, okay, so okay, I want you to know the timing. Bam, 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 bam. Then So that is 4 6 4 2 for me. Okay. You should also watch the timing, okay, so that you don't mess up, okay. Then you can start again. 3 4 5 1. Okay, but the third one I did it this way. 1 4 2 5 6 6. That is 3 6 6 2 2 6 2 2. Okay, then to your 5 again. Okay, 3 4 5 4. Okay, 4. Then you play your 4 6 5 4 1 3. Okay, so I want you to get that. Then you continue. Okay, and the last one goes like this, the same groove. Then I brought in a lick, okay, even in case you want to use them, but in Highlife you need to play them steady. Okay, so you can also learn this even in case you want to do your stuff. Okay, so when you play 6 2, then you slide to your 6 3 6 2 6 4 3 2. You understand? Okay, so it's very simple. Then you play your 4, then you slide over here. Okay, 2 3 3 3 2 7 3. Okay, you can pick a few of this bass line, learn them, and also apply them to your own Highlife. Okay, so what I'm teaching you here is a mix of bass line. You can just pick something like this. You have picked this bass line, then you can apply it, join it with your own bass line, and start using them in your own Highlife songs. Okay, so do not rush in learning this. Just take time. You can learn it today, the next day come back and also watch the video and learn. Okay, it takes time to master this. Okay, I think this is a few bass line I have for you today. Bye for now.